Imagine this. You're making money online without any expensive setup, no big team, just your creativity and smart work. Sounds crazy, right? But it's actually possible using AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most powerful free AI tools that can help you earn money online, step by step, and trust me, by the end of this video, you won't just understand these tools. You'll know exactly how to start earning. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe for more powerful content like this. So, let's get started. First tool, ElevenLabs. This is one of the most powerful AI tools for voice generation. It can turn text into a real human voice, not robotic, not fake, real. It can also convert speech into text, and even clone voices. Yes, you can literally clone a voice. That's how powerful it is. And the best part? The voice sounds almost identical to a real human. That's why YouTubers, creators, businesses, everyone is using it. If you want a full breakdown on how to make money using this, comment ElevenLabs. I'll make a dedicated video for you. Second tool, Nano Banana. This tool is used for image generation. You don't need design skills. You don't need experience. You just need a good prompt. Describe what you want, and boom, AI creates a professional image. Simple, but powerful. If you want to learn how to earn money using this, comment Nano Banana. Third tool, Google Flow. This tool changes the game. It can turn text into videos, it can turn images into motion, and create cinematic visuals in minutes. Think about that. What used to take hours now takes minutes. That's the power of AI. Want a full earning guide? Comment Google Flow. Fourth tool, YouTube Create. This is YouTube's own tool, designed for creators like you. It helps you create videos, edit them easily, and publish faster. No complicated editing, no stress, just simple creation, perfect for beginners. If you want to know how to earn using this, comment YouTube Create. Final tool, and the most powerful, ChatGPT. This is the brain behind everything. It writes your scripts, gives you ideas, creates prompts, even helps you grow. You don't need to overthink anymore. Just ask, and it gives you everything. Want to learn how to earn using ChatGPT? Comment ChatGPT. Final advice. Don't just watch this video. Don't just learn. Start. Because right now, people are making money using AI, and if you don't start now, you might miss this opportunity. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which AI tool are you going to try first? See you in the next video.